Sometimes I do intros and I'm like, that is not you. What is up, you guys? Thanks for coming to see another video. Today, I'm really excited about it because this look is like one of my favorites. And we're just going to do a little orange for Thanksgiving. How you like that? And I really love how this look came out. I can't stop looking at it. I hope you guys have some awesome plans coming up for Thanksgiving. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. I'm ready to do something really pretty and festive because it's like mid-November. Oh my gosh, right now it's November 18th. The way time goes by so fast is just trippy. I have some cool things to show you guys today. I found out that Walgreens is making beauty products. That's cray to me. Like literally it has the Walgreens brand on it and everything. They make eyeshadow brushes. Look at this brush. I mean, that's a really good shape. I can't wait to feel it. And then it's the other end. I got a little contour brush. It almost looks like the Fenty highlighting brush, so maybe this is a possible dupe. And then some little puffs. I'm hoping this works good with the Laura Mercier powder because that stuff is not my friend. Then I got a little e.l.f. Selfie Ready Foundation Blurring Brush because I've been looking for a brush for my contour, my powder contour. And I just have tried every brush that I have and nothing is like getting it. And then I seen this e.l.f. blending brush. You know these brushes are $2. And I was like, ooh, I like it because it kind of has like a flat top like that. So we're going to try all these little things out. I just realized this is the finger blending sponge. And I've already done my foundation. Maybe we'll have to use it next time. I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply the Tarte Double Duty Beauty concealer to my lid. I'm going to just blend it out with my beauty blender first. And then I also want to carve out the underneath of my eyebrows really quick. So I'm taking the same concealer on a Morphe 224 and I'm going to just carve out the bottom of my brow. I just made some glitter that looks like a Christmas tree. I just use a bunch of glitters from Michaels. They say though, watch out with getting it in your eyes because some glitters are not like for cosmetics. So if they get in your eye, it can like scratch your eye. Just an FYI. It's very hard for me to stop mixing glitter because when I start, I just want to keep going. Just keep adding glitter and eventually I will have a rainbow glitter because I will not quit adding. Yeah, and then I'm trying to decide, do we go Thanksgiving? Because this video will be up in the middle of the week. When is Thanksgiving? So let's take our dual-ended eyeshadow brush. Okay. Oh my gosh, so much. Wow, so this is pretty cool. This looks really nice. Okay, Walgreens. It feels like a little, nice little matte, smooth surface. And this is a cute little rose gold handles. It feels really, really soft. They are synthetic bristles, not tested on animals. Finest materials and finished with the utmost care. Ultra soft, top quality synthetic bristles. Ideal for expertly applying eyeshadow to create the perfect look. So I'm going to go into my chocolate bar and I'm going to use the color peanut butter. And I'm going to put that in the crease. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it fits my eyes so perfectly. What? Whoa, I really like this already. I still see a really harsh line right here, so I'm going to try and add some more product and put it up there again, and then I'm going to blend it out. I've been doing this thing a lot lately, you guys, where I take my shadows up way too high, and I get really disappointed in myself because I've been trying to not do that. And I'm really going to focus this time on not doing that. So far this is a really, really nice brush. And it was $4. It's $4 dual-ended eyeshadow brush. Eyeshadow blending brush. From Walgreens. I used to work for Walgreens. I used to work for them when I lived in Texas. And I worked in Frisco. And it was a really awesome job. I worked in the specialty pharmacy. It was really awesome. I had the best boss. I had such independence. Like I could set up events. I could do little stuff for our pharmacy. It was only like 10 people. and it was just good memories. Walgreens as a whole is like a really amazing company. They just really take care of their employees. I know for me, I had a good experience. If you didn't, I'm really sorry. I really loved working for them. Now I'm going to use the bright orange color with my new e.l.f. brush, which is a little bit flatter, so I think it'll be easier to do this look that I'm about to do. I'm just going to take bright orange color from the Brazil palette. I'm just going to start stamping it right here. I'm actually just going to put it all over the lid, now that I think about it. And this brush really is not what this is for, but I mean, it's working. It feels a little firm, which is okay. I love orange. It is so cute. It's funny because I don't really care for orange outside of makeup. Yes, this is so adorable. This is actually going to be a fairly easy look, believe it or not. I always I don't know why I do this to myself, but I always want to do the craziest stuff when I film. And you know, I think I know part of the reason is because I want to test myself, which is actually really insane. I don't even know why I do that. But it's kind of I want to see if I can do it. And I just put all the pressure on me because I'll be recording it. And yeah, we should probably rub in some setting powder right here. So what is your guys' favorite Thanksgiving food? I laugh when I say that because I'm thinking, what is my favorite? Honestly, I like it all. I like it all. Okay, just used this color the other day, it feels like. Saturn from the Prism palette. I needed that type of burnt orange, red color. Just a pat on right here. I'm using a Morphe 507. For Thanksgiving, what time do you guys eat? Because I feel like anytime me and my family cooks, it is 6 before we start to actually eat, which is so late. It is not cool, because by then everyone is grumpy pants, right? I'm just going over this peanut butter crease color, and I don't think it's too high up. Okay. Now, you know what time it is. I need to do that every time I pull out the glitter. Y'all know what time it is. Okay, I'm going to pull in that bright orange right next to the glitter again, just to make sure, we didn't lose it. Having myself a little ball over here. I don't know why I love this look so much, but I do. About to take the 517 and do my under eye. I'm going to start with the bright orange color. I'm just putting it under here. I'm not being particular or whatever, because I'll just go and clean it up later. I'm going to switch to a smaller brush. This is the 213. It's a little Morphe smudger. I'm going to go into that reddish color. I'm going to put it closest to the lower lash line and just kind of blend the two in together. Really quickly, going to hit that orange again. Yes, yes, yes. Let's brush off what's under here. And I'm going to pick a pair of lashes and stick them on. And here is the final look, you guys. What do we think? I love it. I'm literally obsessed with this little pop of glitter on the lid, and just somehow, some way, I think this might be why I like oranges, because anytime I use orange, I feel like my blending is on fire. It's literally on point. I can't get enough of it. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving with friends, family, whoever you may be with. If you don't have anyone, go to a church, go to someone that you can trust, and just make the best of it. I really pray for anyone who doesn't have any family to celebrate it with, but I hope that you find a way to make the best of it. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
short, and then I just always find a way to drag them out.